right, welcome back. North Carolina Department of Insurance Commissioner Mike Causey is here to answer your text questions about insurance and things. This person is asking, if a tree falls on my house due to wind or rain, can the insurance company deny payment because it was too close to my house?
That depends on those. I would encourage the consumer to contact me or contact our office. We have a consumer division with people on the phones Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. They help consumers every day get these claims disputes settled and resolved, and that's what we'll do here.
All right, and what we'll do is we're going to put your contact information in our web story so that people will have that easily. All right, so this next question is, I purchased a new homeowner's policy for my mobile home today. I asked about flood insurance and was told I couldn't purchase it because of the age of my home. Is there another option?
One option, if you purchase a new mobile home, on a new mobile home, those policies do have flood insurance automatically covered. There would, again, I would refer this consumer to our office to let us check into it to see if there is a way. Flood insurance is handled federally. It's a federal program through FEMA, the Federal Flood Insurance Program, but we can work with them and find out.
All right, this person says, can you argue the price of insurance with the company when they want to pay out some kind of claim? Can you negotiate that?
Certainly, and I would again ask you to contact the Department of Insurance. We have consumer folks that will help, and they will talk with the insurance company, and they'll get both sides and try to get a resolution that both sides can agree with.
I know when I had my roof done because of hail damage, the first people that they sent out and assessed it at a certain amount. And I thought to myself, you know what, I don't think that that is correct. And I asked for a second opinion to come out. And they said that that was pretty standard.
That's right.
So
that's a good idea.
So sometimes it's just a matter of asking. And the worst that they say is no.
Right. Always get a second opinion.
Okay, so, and I think sometimes as a consumer, you don't think that you have the power to do that, but you do have the power to do that. And if they do say no, then you can contact Mike Causey's office and see if they can step in and help out. This person's asking, what if your insurance tells you that you cannot get flood insurance because you're not in a flood zone?
Well, what they're referring to there is the federal, and the federal flood insurance program does have certain zones. Now, we are working with the insurance industry. We've already approved private flood insurance policies for North Carolina. We're just waiting on the insurance industry to issue the policies, offer the policies, and set the rates. And we hope that'll happen within the next year or two. But private flood insurance would be the only option if the federal program would not accept you.
Okay, so this person's asking, why is there not a discount for retirees with low mileage? And really, I guess what my thing is with that kind of question is, when you call for a quote on your insurance, you can ask for, is there something for people who only travel 50 miles from their home or only, use their car X amount in a year? What kinds of things would you tell consumers to ask about?
I'd say call your insurance agent. They can certainly call us at the Department of Insurance, but different companies offer discounts, and generally the seniors are in the lowest category. Generally, there is something you can contact our office. Our consumer folks will go over it with you, but the easy way would be to call your insurance agent and get an answer, or shop around, look at different companies, and you'll be surprised at the difference between companies.
And when you say shop around, consumers need to know exactly what they are covered for, because you can go to another company and they can cut that rate in half, but it may not be the same coverage.
That's a good point. You want to make sure that you don't have minimum limits. You want your as high limits as you can afford, and make sure that if you've got $100,000, $300,000 limit policy, that's what they're quoting you.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much for your time and your expertise. We appreciate it. We're going to put all of the information in the To Wants to Know section so that it will be an easy resource for you.